So here we are in sunny California at the Santa Monica Pier, riding on a Ferris wheel. We're actually in Las Vegas at the LA Convention Center. Yeah, it is the LA, no, it's the Las Vegas Convention Center at NAB 2023. And we're sitting in front of a virtual wall, and we're introducing Kino Flo's new Mimik lighting tile, which is image-based lighting for virtual reality. The Mimik is a lighting tile. It's an image-based lighting tile. So what we're doing is we're taking a 3-color pixel, for instance, as in the wall behind me, the virtual wall, and we're converting that into a 5-color pixel on our lighting panel. So what we're able to do is by adding tungsten and daylight white phosphor LEDs into our fixture, we're now presenting a full spectrum of light from an image. So very much like we are here now in Santa Monica on the Ferris wheel. Just as nature is lighting, it's fill light from one side, keys from the other. We also have light from above. It's representing what that light would look like if you're on location. So this is designed for virtual production. It can also be used as a white light source, meaning I can turn this into a Kelvin tunable white light source that has very high color quality. So all around it covers a broad range of application for the VR community. So this light works off the megapixel Helios processor. So we are agnostic to the processor that's driving the wall. In this case right now we have a Brompton processor driving the wall. We simply take that same feed, run parallel to it through the Helios processor, and now we can actually synchronize the two. The other interesting thing about these fixtures is that they operate at a very high refresh rate, 30 kilohertz. So this allows us to run about 960 frames a second. It also allows us to gen lock to the volume. Now, if this was a DMX fixture, one panel alone would be 140 universes. DMX has latency issues, which would make it impossible to actually gen lock to the volume. So by not using DMX and going directly off a video feed, we are now able to provide that kind of interlock and that kind of accuracy for color changes. The other issues, or the other aspects that are unique are the weight. The weight of this fixture, number one, it's made of carbon fiber. It's 2 foot by 4 foot. It only weighs 27 pounds or 12.5 kilo. So it's really ideally designed to link together just like a wall like a video wall. It has all the hardware that you can link it together and make a solid wall. You can also use them individually with single yokes. We're also developing a double yoke. So this way you can move them around the set much like a conventional light, but instead of just having a white light source, you're actually using the image of a portion of that volume that you've sampled to be your key light. Your key, your fill, whatever.
Amazing. Pricing question. How much is the setup like this?
For you, a special deal. So, so the units list at $8,800.
Okay. For one panel.
For one panel.
Okay.
Pricing will fluctuate depending on the number of units, because again, a large project will have a better discount. 2 foot by 4 foot. The processor is about $11,000. It has 38 million pixel capacity.
Wow.
So you can run an awful lot of Mimiks off one processor.
Thank you for watching this special NAB 2023 VR experience of the future in lighting for virtual production. I hope you learned something useful. We got a lot of future filmmaking tech breakdown coming up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time in the metaverse.